And another little detector comparison here with the Equinox 800 wearing a small coil. Deus 2 wearing a 9-inch coil. Now I'm going to show this Equinox on this test here. Then I'm going to put the Deus 2 on it. And then I'm going to put this machine back on this test, and we're going to start picking these nails off, okay? One by one, and watch what happens, okay? Park 1, speed 6. F20. All right? Now that's sweeping from about 3 inches above. 18, 17 in that meter, okay? There's a lot of junk that can come in. That's a clad U.S. quarter in them nails right there, okay? Now, there's no detection, I don't believe, with either detector coming this way right here, okay? Now, those nails right there, all this coil don't cover all of the nails because of their length, but the actual span, it does, okay? But anyway, what if you ran up on something like this in the ground? This is basically not quite same plane because the nails are obviously thicker than the coin is, okay? So they're slightly, the iron is slightly above it. Now I'm going to get down real close. So I get a sign that there's a high conductor, but what about an inch above them? Okay, I get a 20-21, which is about zinc and penny range, okay? 2 inches above. 18, every now and then a 19, okay? 3 inches. 18 lock, okay? Now this is part 1. We'll turn this one off here and put this Deus 2 over this. Deus 2, D-Pi conductor. We may look at one more program on this machine for gee whiz. D-Pi conductor, full toes reactivity 2.5, iron volume off. I'm going to sweep it from about an inch above. 95 in the window. About 3 inches above. Okay, now I'm getting clad dime reading, okay? I'm not getting zinc and penny or less than zinc and penny like I was with that Equinox. That's 4 inches above it, roughly. 90 in the window. Real close. I get 99 down real close, okay? $92, $93, pretty fast sweeper. That's about 3 inches above. 91, 91, 91. Now, we'll go in here and look at one more program real fast just to see, since this is a new kid on the block kind of detector. I'll go ahead and put it in fast program. Full tones. Iron volume off. Better turn the audio response up a little maybe. Let's see what we get here. That's from about 3 inches right there. 87 in the meter. 89. Real fast sweep. How about up about 5 inches? Getting about a 80, 84 in the meter, okay? That's slightly less than zinc and penny, but now I'm pretty high above them nails there. Since we're in the fast program, we'll come over here, no detection, okay? We get down about 2 inches above that quarter. 91.90 for an ID, okay? Equinox back out. Now, just to be fair, you know, I don't want anybody complaining. We're going to look at this in field 2. Field 2 can pull the goods out of arm. Let's see what this thing does. This is Speed 6 F20, 50 tones from about 2 inches above. I get a 14 in the meter, down real close. Sort of a mix of everything, okay, from about 4 inches above. $13, $14 for an ID, okay. So we didn't get no ID help there going to field 2, okay. Selective digging, you know, that's what we're looking at here. Not necessarily will it detect. Everybody seems to forget that. Yeah, a lot of these machines might see the same target, but which one is giving you the best information? Okay, we're back in Park 1, Speed 6, F20, no tricks. Okay, now, we'll sweep this from about 2 inches. That's what I'm going to keep doing here. Now, it's not exact here. 18 seems to be the predominant ID. Now we're going to remove 2 nails from the outside. Let's see what happens. Still giving 18. We're going to take 2 more off. Still giving 18. And take 2 more off. Let's see what we get now. Okay, now the IDs come up to 20, 21. Take 1 off. Okay, now I get up to 25. Still not getting quarter ID, okay? Now we're going to take the last 1 off. Big 30 in the meter, okay? I hope you enjoyed. Recreate the scene exactly, but I put all these nails back up here, you know. I'll sweep this JS2 over in case anybody gets any bright ideas, okay? Deep high conductor, 2.5 reactivity, iron volume off, full tones. Just like I ran it in that test you've seen, okay? And same with the fast program. I've done set it up. Let the auto scan get done. Look at there. Okay? So as long as there's no bright ideas, you know, there's all kinds of people, you know, they think somebody's trying to feed them some stuff. Well, I ain't feeding you anything. I'm just showing you the differences. What you see in the ground could vary, okay? But what you see in these tests, too, could show up in the ground. Some of it has for me already. I hope you enjoyed.